Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing objective data and removing obvious stressors. First, get a liver panel and hepatitis tests now so you know baseline numbers. Tell your clinician every medication and supplement you take. Next, stop alcohol and avoid acetaminophen. These directly worsen liver injury. Once done, increase clear fluids and swap processed foods for simple whole food meals, low in saturated fat and added sugar. This reduces metabolic load while you await results and sets the stage for targeted treatment. You now move into systematic, ongoing care. Once labs guide you, adopt a targeted diet that lowers sugar and excess calories while increasing fiber to support liver repair. Combine that with achievable exercise, about 150 minutes weekly of moderate activity, and aim for gradual weight loss to reduce steatosis. Make medication changes only with your clinician. Many drugs require dose adjustment or substitution. Finally, avoid high-dose herbal supplements that can be hepatotoxic. If considering any supplement, consult the provider first. You wrap up the plan with clear monitoring and escalation rules. Arrange repeat labs in 6 to 12 weeks to confirm improvement, then space testing out as values stabilize. If enzymes rise, bilirubin increases, or you develop jaundice, refer promptly to hepatology for advanced workup, including imaging and possible biopsy. Make sure to reassess medications, alcohol intake, and occult infections if results worsen. Troubleshooting tip: if numbers deteriorate despite adherence, stop non-essential meds and seek specialist care immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.